Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we have a box set up for AV mechanics. It's called the Sonic S10. This is an 8-drawer setup. So Sonic is a tool brand. And honestly guys, I don't know much about Sonic. But we're gonna do this toolbox tour. This is actually a box from one of my subscribers who thought it'd be a great idea for me to bring this box to the platform. So we're gonna go through the drawers. Just go over every tool that we see. Any questions, don't forget to drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As you know guys, I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I got more toolbox tours coming your way. Don't forget to smash that like button. Turn on your post notification for upcoming videos. So let's see what we got. So in the top drawer, it looks like they have the phone cutouts. So everything has a place, and there's a place for everything. So from my understanding, it's done this way so the technician can make sure he has all his tools and he knows where everything should be placed, and it's all for speed. Now obviously you don't want to leave any tools behind while you're working on the aircraft. So it looks like we have some ratchets, extensions, and every tool in here is Sonic brand. So here's a 1/2-inch drive socket. Just take a look at the etching. That's the first thing I noticed about the tools. Etching is pretty deep and aggressive. Doing my research on this box, I noticed you can buy the tool sets pre-manufactured. So this has a model number. This is the Sonic 108601. So 108601, you get everything you see. Mind you, there's a few tools missing. The 108601 is an 86-piece set. So we get out of this drawer. And one thing I want to know, guys, once I open up a drawer, I can't open up another drawer. How about that? So next toolkit that we see will be the Sonic 602503. And this is a 25-piece set. And like I said, it's missing a few tools. Missing a punch. I think it was some actual vice grips that went here. So here you have a hammer, some files, chisel, some safety wire pliers, needle nose, cutters, adjustable pliers. So that's a Sonic 602503. 25 piece. So we get out of this drawer. Our next drawer. This is a 103 piece set. And this would be our Sonic 610301. So it looks like you have your screwdrivers, different sizes, a few picks. Looks like a wedge. It's like a plastic wedge. I'm not too sure what this is used for. If you know, let me know down in the comments. You got a flashlight, a magnet, some feeler gauges, flashlight. Looks like it has a few Torx bits. And I think here it was actually a box cutter. So we get out of this drawer. So in this drawer, this is the Sonic 604906. So with that part number, this is what you get. Looks like we have the Sonic Ratchet Wrenches going from 5/16 to 3/4. And we have some double-ended open wrenches from the 5/32 all the way to 11/16. Man, that's bad. That's nice. Very light. One side is at a right angle. Looks like we got a set of standard Allen wrenches. The Sonic adjustable wrench. And actually, this kind of reminds me of the Blue Point. How about that? I think the Blue Point will have a scale on both sides, but this has a metric scale. Then over here we have the boxed in, closed in wrenches. Looks like a 1/4 all the way to 1 inch. And I would say this is, I want to say this is a wire stripper. Like I said, the foam cutouts, make sure you put everything back exactly where it goes. And you can easily open up the drawer and tell what's missing. So this cutout is, again, the Sonic 604906. So we get out of this drawer. And here we have the Sonic 309302. And this is a 93 piece set. Looks like it's missing a few extensions, but it has many deep sockets. Looks like we're going from a 14 millimeter all the way to a 32 millimeter. 1/2 inch drive. So the 14 starts at the 3/8 drive. It stops at the 21 millimeter, and the 22 millimeter goes to 1/2 inch drive. It looks like we got a 1/4 inch drive down here. Deeps, 5 millimeter, all the way to 13. We got the shallows and the deep. It looks like we have some Torx and Allen sockets. And we're missing a few tools, but that's okay. It comes with the trade. So in this drawer we have the Sonic 60-1904, and we have the Sonic 60-1903. So the 1904 looks like we have the double-ended wrenches. Looks like a 6 all the way to a 22 millimeter. And up here we have the ratchet wrenches. The 60-1903 on the right side. We have, looks like just a regular wrench set. All the way, it's a 6 millimeter all the way to a 24 millimeter without skipping a size. And here in the middle we have an actual snap-on set, half-inch drive ratchet with the extensions, breaker bar, metric from 8 millimeter all the way to 19 millimeter shallow sockets. So we get out of this drawer. Second to the last drawer, we have the Sonic 60-30-04. I think that was missing an adjustable wrench. Looks like we got a Torx set and an Allen set. Some short stubby wrenches, 8 millimeter to 17 millimeter. It looks like he has his extra tools down here. Looks like a snap-on 3/8 ratchet, long reach, 3/8 drive. And here we have snap-on 1/4-inch drive ratchet. So we get out of this drawer. And down here, it's kind of a junk drawer. It's like he bought some neon green snap-on screwdrivers, pair of pliers, 1378 CF. It looks like a multimeter down here. Greenlee is the brand. So we won't stay in this drawer long. We get out of here. So there you have it, guys. This is Sonic S10. A drawer setup, painted in gray. It's a tool chest setup for A&P mechanic. That's A&P as in airframe and power plant, or A&T, Aviation maintenance technician. So let me know down in the comments what you think about this box. This thing is easy to maneuver, very lightweight. Looks like it has a few shells on the outside. And up top we have Sonic backpack. So you can put some tools in it on the go. Next, you guys, I want to talk about the wheels, the locking mechanism. It's kind of dirty, but you can see the red part in the middle. All I do is tap that button, release the lock. She's ready to roll. Lock it back. Very simple. Not going nowhere. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you like the content. Hit the post notification for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys.